Welcome. In front of me I have ASUS Zenfone 7 Pro, and today I will show you how easy you can add an account to the Google Play Store. So at the first we have to open our Play Store app, and then you have to tap right here on the right corner, and then just simply click to add another account. Right now we have to verify yourself, and then we have to input our email. So I will go with this one, click next, and here we have to input the password, so that's what I'm going to do right now. And when you finish, you can simply click next, tap that we agree, and as you can see, after a few moments we are here with another account, and if you want to switch between the accounts, you have to click and then choose another one. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.